I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Check the car socket or USB port with a meter so the transmitter isn't starved. Low voltage causes weird audio and dropouts. Once done, power cycle or press the reset button for 10-15 seconds to clear pairing faults. Then tune both the transmitter and radio to a clear, unused FM frequency. This reduces interference. Make sure you see a pairing light. If not, repeat the reset and observe any blinking codes to guide the next step. Now diagnose the audio path and interference. You should set your phone's Bluetooth output and app volume high, around 80-100%, because low source levels produce hiss. Next, scan the FM band and shift the transmitter frequency by small increments 0, 2 to 0, 5 MHz to find the quietest spot. Also reposition the transmitter's antenna or cable away from metal and USB chargers, since proximity to noise sources creates static. If audio is thin, finish by securing connections and confirming results. Clean contact pins or battery terminals with isopropyl, then reseat the transmitter so no intermittent contact remains. Test the transmitter with an aux cable or a different phone to determine whether the issue is the module or the source device. This step isolates root cause quickly. Once audio is stable, drive test a few miles to confirm. If problems persist despite these checks, replace the transmitter module. It's usually more reliable than continued patch repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.